Hello, Room 9 friends. I have a guest reader for you today, my son Finn, and our puppy Scout. Scout's laying on his back. Scout, no chewing. All right, Finn, what are you reading for us today?
The Littlest Train.
Okay. I will hold it. Actually, I'm going to move it over here. Oh, because they want to see the book. So, what if I hold it up and you read it? Okay? The Littlest Train.
In a small room down a short flight of stairs, there lived a little train. He spent his days circling a teeny town. It was the only neighborhood he had ever known.
There's a close-up of the picture.
One day, the ground shook and a shadow appeared overhead. It could only mean one thing. Mr. Fingers was back in town.
Mr. Fingers!
This time, Mr. Fingers knocked down the crane, which bumped the train, who fell down, 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 and into a brand new world. The little train spotted a tunnel. It was time to explore.
Am I blocking the words?
No, there is no words.
There's no words on this page. Take a look at the picture. All right.
The world beyond seemed vast and strange until the little train spotted something familiar in the distance. It was the biggest train he had ever seen. Mighty Mac steamed up and offered a ride. "Hey there, little one," he rumbled. "When my 100 tons really gets rolling, I can show you some sights."
Do closer up of the picture. Okay.
They thundered off together with the wind in their smokestacks. And around the bend, coal cogs chugged up and offered to carry the little train to the top of the world. "Come with me, little train," she said. "I've got 32 teeth on my gears, and I never slip back. I'll take you to a place where you can see forever."
Closer up.
Forever looked wonderful, but the little train realized there was one thing he could not see: his home. Luckily, Sarah's speedster was nearby. "Hop in," she said. "At 150 miles per hour, we'll get you home lightning quick." Sarah's speedster raced as far as she could, but everything zoomed by in a blur, and the little train could not spot his home. By the time they arrived at the switching yard, the sun was getting low. Mr. Fingers would have surely noticed that the little train was missing.
Who is this Mr. Fingers?
Farley Frater had an idea. He traveled far and wide to deliver goods, so he knew of a place where little trains lived. "All aboard," he whistled.
No words on this page either. Thanks, reader.
Finally, the little train did not feel so little anymore. He had no tracks, no trees, no table, and he missed his new friends. Then the little train saw a familiar shadow. Mr. Fingers.
Mr. Fingers.
The little train was finally home, and Mr. Fingers had been busy, and there was a brand new town to explore. And it was so much more fun to be exploring with friends.
The end. I always love this story because it reminds me of my son playing trains and him being Mr. Fingers. Thank you, Phin, for reading. Scout, say goodbye.
Bye.
Scout. Bye, Room 9 friends.